out of 560 Rubik's Cubes, I hand turned every single one of these to make pictures like LeBron.
When we all get rich, that's when we gon' ball out. Yeah, we going well. Oh, yeah. We just tryna get rich, you know, easy well.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. Sheik here, Sheik TV, Beautybysheek, all of that. Listen, today is Saturday, and honestly, I did not have a lot going on this week. It was really about getting the mental together. I have a meeting I have to go to today, and you know what, I'm just so excited, you all. Like, I want to tell y'all so bad what's happening right now, but I will wait. Yeah, we're gonna run some errands today. I'm about to do my makeup. Yeah, we're just gonna see what today brings, because I don't have really nothing planned. So I'll see y'all in a few. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and yeah. When you don't come out the house often. Hey y'all, hey, so I am back. Y'all probably like, oh my gosh, girl, what is going on with that hair? I bought a new backpack. I love pink, so I was just like, let me get a book bag. I'm really trying to set myself up for some events that are not gonna be in the state. I am ready to travel. I'm ready to get Sheik TV right where it needs to be, and that's just what it is. So I had recently just ordered a mic, my mic flag that says Sheik TV on it. There are times I'm waiting for like Ozone to show up. Half the time it's like I have to meet him and drive to pick somebody up and be ready on time and be glammed up, be prepared for questions. I have to start thinking smarter. So I bought this bag, smart bag from Amazon. I will create my links and stuff. I know I've been slacking on that, y'all, but I will create my links and stuff. Okay, so I got my laptop. Let me see if this actually fits. Alright, y'all, so let's see if the laptop fits. The laptop fits, y'all.
Go by the picture. So let's say we go by the picture. I put this. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my body. This is the EOS Rebel T5i. I do want a new body because now everyone is using mirrorless bodies, and this one has a mirror in it, so you can kind of tell that it's kind of old. But I have this lens, and this lens is really good, so I never really have to worry about, I can switch it. Here and the body here, and I wanted just to bring a book so I can keep my notes in. I always gotta have my book, my charger, my computer charger. I'm always forget my computer charger. Okay. I'm trying to think. Now let's say I was putting this camera in here, I would put the vlog camera right here and the accessories that go with that. But I'm really excited about how this looks. Yay! Okay, so I do have different tripod sizes. I have this one, and then like something. Sheiky bag. Okay, y'all, this is my Sheiky bag, and that's it. It's quite heavy, but it's better than the other one. I'm trying to show y'all. Let's see. I mean, you're gonna know we're recording because of the stand, but there's still some pockets on the side, so I can get to my battery easily. So if I do need to get to my battery or my charger, it is right here. But I love it. I love it.
All right, y'all, we outside. It's Shelly's birthday. Are you back for us? Oh, wow. It's her birthday. Y'all, why is it so tired? Oh, thank you.
I meant to tell you, you forgot everything except for my number.
Oh.
Everything was my number.
Okay. I was about to say, what we forget? And listen.
You just turned 21?
Oh, we trying to make sure you illegal.
Oh, wow. I ain't never go.
Y'all, look, we in the train station. I ain't never been to this fucking train station. Okay, look at she got a star moment. Okay, period. Alright, you all, so listen, I am in the hair salon and I am getting ready for All-Star Weekend. I'm getting ready Listen, and I know I did not show y'all the clothes that I got for the trip, but guess what? We gonna pack tonight. Y'all gonna see everything. We gonna pack tonight. Today, I gotta get my hair done, my nails done. I will be teaching a class tonight, so I may try to get a little bit of that in there. I'm so excited. This activation is so dope. When I get there, I'm definitely gonna be showing y'all kind of my day and day 1, day 2. Definitely gonna try to get some interviews with some people on my break, and that's just what we gonna do. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get out of here, and y'all stay tuned for this hairstyle because I'm excited. Okay. Ball Kendra, you already know. Dollhouse. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we made it to the nail salon, nail barber kid. I got my hair done. Y'all see the curly curl. And then I got my little junkie hair. And I'm gonna go home, just kind of change, freshen up real quick. I have to teach the class at 5. Shout out to Brian. Y'all better book Brian. Book Brian. Listen, I was so excited about my hair because it finally came out how, like, it came out exactly how I wanted it to. I'm not sure yet. Not yet. I'm not sure yet. Give me a few. Yes, we are on schedule right now. Everything's looking good. I'm nervous about driving 10 hours. This is like my first 10-hour trip. I did have my training for the activation, so I mean, by the time y'all see this video, you will know. We're leaving tonight at like 1, 2 in the morning, so I will see y'all in a few. I'm gonna relax right now because I really don't like being on my phone or doing anything while I get my nails done. And so far so good. Let me know if I like this hairstyle. I was gonna do a little recording. Hi, how are you? Y'all look at Robin. It's my student. So we are in here. I just did a makeup class. How'd you like it?
First of all, she is everything. I'd be like, teacher. Miss Sheek.
Okay. They are lovely. She asked the most questions. Very attentive. I loved it. I hope I'm coming back.
For everything. Like, y'all check out and all that good stuff for real.
And check you out. Where can they find you?
Oh girl, London Latress. Like, I come through with the products. The skin is not on glow for nothing. Okay. Let me help you, help me. You feel what I'm saying? Okay. But you definitely want to follow me at London Latress. And that's on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. We have content where I show you guys facials and different things about skin. Come holla.
And we're getting started, y'all. We're getting started. Okay, guys, so we are in the car. We just finished putting everything in the car. I'm scared. I'm excited. Honestly, I think it's really important when you decide or put your mind to something, you go full force and you go after it. And that's kind of what I be doing. Like, honestly, when I say I want to do something, I end up doing it. And I said I'm going to All-Star Weekend. I'm doing it. And I'm really looking forward to this weekend. Did it with Fashion Week, college, moving to Atlanta. I'm enjoying the moment. I'm gonna go get ozone in a second, and we're gonna get on boat out of here. This is how it's supposed to look, y'all. We outside, y'all. We have the gas station, y'all. Get you in my arms. Look how much shit we got inside.
Like a symphony, you don't wanna end up. I'm everything that you wanna be.
Guys, so where we at? Are we in Colorado?
We 40 miles from Cleveland.
We are 40 miles from Cleveland. We're almost there. Ozone is on the 1s and 2s and driving. Shelly, any statement? Nope, she is over the music. Should I push it?
It's only 25 minutes left.
He don't want us to touch the music. But we are about to be out here. It is raining, unfortunately. But other than that, it was a smooth little ride. It was like a straight shot up the, just straight up there, up to the map. So we're gonna get ready and figure out what type of things they have going on. Other than that, just chilling.
I'm at Ozone Productions right now. I'm just Ozone.
You're fucking working.
When we out of town, I'm Ozone and Ozone Productions. So when would I have time to be Ozone?
You don't. You don't have time to be Marissa. Am I ever Marissa? Listen, as artists, individuals, we don't have time to be ourselves right now. It's Sheek TV, Ozone Productions, Shelly, MC Shelly. We don't got time for none of that. So Ozone gonna get it together.
If you don't talk about something important.
Okay, you're supposed to get 2 questions, right?
So how do you feel about being late to your event?
I don't feel good because I was ready. We're not doing this tomorrow. We're gonna get this together. But I'm really excited right now. We out here for All-Star Weekend, y'all. Right now I'm gonna go get my credentials for the event. I know I'm late, but it's like I'm gonna do such a great job that I didn't even remember I was late. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna get my credentials. Oh, look at, show them. I need you to get a little more pep in your. Look at y'all. So y'all, this is the NBA crossover. I'm really not too sure what that even means. I really want to bring my camera. But I'm gonna bring y'all tomorrow.
You're welcome. If they're wearing a mask, they can take it. Show you the palms in. Fingers locked. That's correct. Oh yeah, all of them. Yes, you'll see here exactly. To keep it away.
Y'all, we here. You want to wave one? Yeah.
I hand turned every single one of these to make pictures like LeBron, and over here I'm making Kevin Durant. It only takes me 3 hours to make these, which is amazing because I can come out to these events, I'll make my artwork live, and I work with these teams all across the US.
Hello. I really hope you all enjoyed that video. You know, just my time at All-Star Weekend. Literally, I still have my shirt on. It was definitely an experience. I'm definitely happy that I was able to go to All-Star Weekend, enjoy it, be a part of it. A lot of different things that I learned, like who you go with. Think about the people that believe in your vision and the people you're pushing. I'm definitely finding that I'm pushing a lot of people that don't believe in my vision, and it's just getting to the point where I'm starting to become cutthroat. At the end of the day, this is how I'm gonna figure out who is for me and who's not for me. Friends, boyfriend, whatever, all type of relationships. Overall, the experience was amazing. As y'all can see in the video, I literally just worked the event. This was actually at the public auditorium. So, you know, they had different activations. They had the, Quest, they had Wilson, they had a little, you know, little club area with the DJ. So overall, it was really fun. I got to network with a lot of people, and what I was doing at the event was actually helping clients, anybody coming into that specific event, create an AR avatar themselves. So if y'all look here, this is my avatar. She's doing little hoops and all this craziness, and we created these different playgrounds so they could go on the playground. They can, you know, basically create themselves playing on the playground. They could be in outer space. They can be like literally walking the red carpet of the NBA. Just different things that you can do with your avatar. So I thought it was really cool. When I got there, I was like, oh my gosh. And I think our set was like the best because it was so big. But a lot of them were big, colorful, a lot of entertainment going on. These are some other pictures that I took. So I really did have a really good time. Next time, I definitely would like to go as Chic TV. It wasn't like I could go and do interviews, or I could go and just be a part of the actual, you know, all-star actual event, but I was able to do a lot of other different things. We just got so much more to do, you know. We go down there. It's like a reset. You go on vacation, you see what you're missing, what you need to add, and then it's like, all right, this is definitely what I need to do. So I will see you all soon. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go on my page, my Instagram page, show me some love, and then definitely let me know what more y'all want to see. And I hope y'all like my hair because it was so cute. Period. And it's still lasting, just so y'all know. But I will see y'all soon, and y'all already know this is Sheek TV, and we out.
Can't call yourself a boss, so you put your dogs on. All I see is dollar signs all up on my call. All I put my nigga on a 3-way like nigga.